So good morning everyone. Today I am going to discuss the another rules. As I know, in the last video lecture I have discussed pin selection rule, Laporte selection rules. Okay. So this is the under crystal field theory CFT. So main topic is atomic and molecular structure. So relaxation of selection rules. So as I told you in the last video lecture I have discussed very important Laporte selection rule and spin selection rule. So today I am going to discuss relaxation of selection rule. Okay. Spin selection rules, LS coupling to J. Total angular momentum del J equals to 0 plus minus 1. As for example 3D, D is term symbol capital D 5 by 2, 3F 7 by 2, del J equals to plus minus 1, that is allowed transitions. Okay. So this is less important for your BTech students. So just if those are very interested and reference for you just know this. Okay. So relaxation of Laporte selection rules, lowering of molecular symmetry, bipyronic coupling. In tetrahedral complex, no center of symmetry, that is no G means girate or U means ungirate, that is lowering of symmetry. Both excited and ground state will have different extent of G and U character. So G to G partly allowed and G to U also partly allowed. That is called relaxation of selection rule. So what is the relaxation of selection rule? Some relaxation has been given. So the intensity of absorption band of DD type transition in tetrahedral field, keep in mind, intensity of absorption band of DD type transitions in tetrahedral field 20 to 20, 120 times greater than DD transition in octahedral field. So intensity of absorption band of DD type transitions in tetrahedral field 20 to 120 times greater than DD transition in octahedral field. Okay. Similarly, cis isomer less symmetric having more intensive band greater than trans isomer more symmetric having less intensity. So cis isomer means less symmetric having more intensive band. Trans isomer means more symmetric having less intensity. Okay. Now symmetry selection rule, sigma to sigma star and pi to pi star allowed. Sigma to sigma star and pi to pi star allowed, but sigma to pi star and sigma to pi star is not allowed. Okay, it has been written twice. Okay. Two pin one half, 2s half, del s 0, spin allowed. Okay. P2s Laporte allowed, term symbol, although it is not included in your BTech syllabus. Del J 0, so it is allowed transitions. Okay. Now these portions, relaxations portions, is not included in your syllabus. Okay. Just for reference. Okay. If you know details, then I will discuss. Okay. Taking another class. So now come to the very important point or topic, charge transfer. As I told you, color of the complex arises due to two reasons, DD transitions or charge transfer. So in DD transition there are so spin Laporte spin allowed, forbidden spin selection rules. So many things I have already discussed. Now charge transfer band. So charge transfer band. In transition metal complex, a change in electron distributions between the metal and ligand give rise to charge transfer, that is called CT bands. In transition metal complex, a change in electron distributions between the metal and ligand give rise to charge transfer, CT bands. So main points of CT. Allowed transitions, both Laporte and spin allowed, very high intensity band, Redox process, Ct absorption in UV visible region are intense, arises due to transition between metal located MOs and ligand located MOs, molecular orbitals. So these are the main points. Allowed transitions, both Laporte and spin allowed, very high intensity band, redox process, MnO4 minus, no, MnO4 minus. Okay, so here D0 system, but it shows pink color. That should be explained by this. Ct absorption in UV visible regions arises due to the transition between metal located MOs, molecular orbitals, and ligand located MOs. However, few such complexes are strongly colored, as I told you. However, few such complexes are strongly colored. For example, MnO4 minus, just like MnO4, or chromium, K2CH2O7, potassium dichromate, or CH2O7 minus. The origin of the color in this complex is not in the DT transitions, rather due to charge transfer. There is no DT transitions in this complex, MnO4 minus, CH2O7 minus. But we get the color, pink color, MnO4. How? Due to charge transfer. Okay. So next move on the similar to DT transition, the charge transfer CT transition also involve the metal d orbitals. Similar DT transitions, charge transfer transitions also involve the metal d orbitals. CT bands are observed if the energy of the empty and filled ligand and metal center orbital are similar. The direction of the electron transfer is determined by the relative energy level of these orbitals. Okay. Now, ligand to metal charge transfer, LMCT, like MnO4 minus, here O4 2 minus, okay, etc. For manganate, MnO4 minus, the d electron count on Mn7 is D0 system, MnO4 X 4 into minus 2 equals to minus, so that is X equals to plus 7, so manganese plus 7 state, that is D0. The origin of the color in this species is not due to DT transitions, rather charge transfer from O2 minus to manganese 7, described as LMCT bands. Okay, ligand to metal charge transfer band. Similarly, metal to ligand, as you know, these two topic is included in your syllabus, are very important, LMCT, ligand to metal charge transfer, and MLCT. So metal to ligand charge transfer, like in Fe bipyridine, in this complex the charge transfer occurs from Fe2 to empty pi star orbital of bipyridine ligand. Okay, so Fe2 to empty pi star orbital of bipyridine ligand. So charge transfer is kind of 4 types as follows. As earlier in the previous video, during the discussion of color, commencement of the color of the metal complex, DT transition and charge transfer, under charge transfer, this kind of 4 types: LMCT, ligand to metal charge transfer; MLCT, metal to ligand charge transfer; MMCT or IVCT, metal to metal charge transfer; LLCT, ligand to ligand charge transfer. Out of 4, 1 and 2, LMCT and MLCT is very important, and so many questions come from LMCT. Okay, so first one is LMCT, ligand to metal charge transfer. So ligand to metal charge transfer means, so ligand electron goes from ligand to vacant orbital of metal. Simple. When transition occurs from MO primarily located on ligand, metal ligand bonding, sigma or pi orbital, metal ligand bonding sigma or pi orbital to non-bonding or anti-bonding MO located primarily on metal. Okay. What happened? Here, ligand to metal, electron goes from ligand to metal, that is field orbital ligand to metal orbital. In terms of orbital, metal, this is the vacant orbital, metal have a vacant orbital. This is the ligand, this is called field orbitals. So electron goes from ligand to metal, this is ligand to metals. Electron goes ligand to, so field orbital to empty vacant orbital of the metal atom. So ligand to metal charge transfer occur in this way. So ligand to metal charge transfer occur in this way. Okay. So LMCT, ligand field orbital of ligand to vacant orbital of metal. Then we get LMCT. Okay. Now characteristics of LMCT. What are the main criteria features? First, transfer of electron from field ligand orbital to vacant metal orbital. This one to this one. Okay. Already I have told you. Pi donor ligand shows LMCT spectra. Keep in mind. What type of ligand shows LMCT? What type of ligand shows MLCT? That is very important, because some question is given metal with ligand. If you choose the ligand which creates the LMCT or MLCT, then you can answer. So transfer of electron from field ligand orbital to vacant metal orbital. Pi donor ligand shows LMCT spectra: halide, oxides, sulfides, selenides, azides, and alkoxides, RO minus. So RO minus, N3 minus, selenide, sulfide, oxide, halides. These are responsible for LMCT. Keep in mind. Okay, should remember. Metals should have high energy vacant orbital. Metals should have high energy vacant orbital. Metals should have high energy vacant orbitals. Transfer of electron from field or ligand orbital to vacant metal orbital. Pi donor ligand shows LMCT spectra: halides, oxides, sulfides, selenides, azides, and alkoxides. Metals should have high energy vacant orbitals. Okay, next move on. Metal should be in high oxidation state. Metal should be in high oxidation state. Metal should be in high oxidation state. Okay. High oxidation state meaning, to reach the high oxidation state, metal should lose electron. That means they possess vacant orbitals. Ligand should have low energy field orbitals. Ligand should have low energy field orbitals. Internal oxidation of ligand and internal reduction of metals. Internal oxidation of ligand and internal reduction of metal. That's why charge transfer involves redox reaction. So I already told you, charge transfer nothing but a redox reaction. So oxidation reduction takes place. So internal oxidation of ligand, internal reduction of metal also occur. Metal may be main group or transition or inner transition. Metal may be main group or transition or inner transitions. Okay. Note, intensity of charge transfer depends number of transition. Intensity of charge transfer. Intensity of charge transfer, nothing but electron transfer, depends on number of transition. Again, number of transition depends feasibility of transitions. Again, number of transitions depends feasibility of transitions. That proportional to 1 by delta E. So intensity proportional to inversely proportional to 1 by delta E. So intensity inversely proportional to 1 by delta E. Okay. So that is the characteristics or features of LMCT. Okay. Now application of LMCT or important information of LMCT. What are the application? Okay. This is also very important. From this portion, there are so many questions will come in the final exam. Down the group, on moving the group transition metal, LMCT increases. So on moving the group in transition metal, LMCT increases. Ligand to metal charge transfer increases. You should remember this thing. Number 2, along the period, on moving from left to right in periodic table, size of transition metal decreases due to effective nuclear charge, due to increase of effective nuclear charge from left to right. It should be okay. So due to increase of effective nuclear charge, so along the period and moving left to right in periodic table, size of transition metal decreases due to increase of effective nuclear charge. You know Z's effective equals to Z minus sigma or skinning constant. So LMCT decreases. Keep in mind, from left to right, size of the transition metal decreases due to increase of effective nuclear charge. So LMCT decreases. Note, both the above case ligand should be same. Both the above case ligand should be same. Okay. Now this is the application of along the period. Okay, and down the groove. You see, first down the groove, 3D, 4D, 5D. So energy, you see, LMCT higher than 3D to 4D, 4D to 5D. So from down the groove, in transition metal LMCT increases. LMCT you see increases. 3D series, then 4D, then 5D. So top to bottom, LMCT increases due to high energy LMCT in case of 5D, then 4D, then 3D. Now when you move down the groove, vanadium, chromium, manganese, LMCT decreases. Vanadium is with high LMCT, from left to right LMCT decreases. In case of chromium LMCT decreases, then vanadium, manganese LMCT decreases compared to chromium. So left to right, from left to right LMCT decreases. We should remember, okay, we should remember from left to right LMCT decreases, vanadium, chromium, manganese, and this is from top to bottom, down the groove, 3D, then 4D, then 5D. So top to bottom, here bottom is 5D, so LMCT increases. Okay. Number 3, oxidation state of metal. Oxidation state of metal. LMCT decreases on increasing oxidation state of metal. LMCT decreases. LMCT decreases on increasing oxidation state of metal. If oxidation state of metal increases, LMCT decreases. What will happen? Here, give an example. Ligand to metal. Ligand to metal. Metal is ruthenium 2, ruthenium 4. So ruthenium 2, you see, ruthenium 4, what will happen? Splitting energy gap very less. Ruthenium 2 splitting energy is high. So that's why here ligand to ruthenium splitting LMCT energy is high, but in case of ruthenium 4 LMCT is low. So LMCT decreases due to increase of oxidation state +2 to +4. Okay. Now come to size of the ligand. Consider 3 complex AgCl2, AgBr2, AgI2, 3 complex having same metal and different ligand, although having same group elements, chlorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. LMCT decreases due to the increase of size of the ligand. Cl greater than bromine, Cl less than bromine, less than iodine. That is, iodine has highest size than bromine than chlorine. So size of the ligand. Consider 3 complex AgCl2, HBr2, AgI2. LMCT decreases due to the increase of size of ligand. Okay, how? You see, in case of AgCl2 is the LMCT energy, highest energy, then Br decreases compared to AgCl2, then iodine least compared to Br and Cl. So due to the increase of size, chlorine less than bromine, less than iodine. So size of chlorine less than bromine, bromine size less than iodine. So iodine has a higher size, it has least LMCT, then bromine, then it's a chlorine. So if the ligand size increases, then the LMCT also decreases. Should remember this thing, very important. So in the ligand size increases, LMCT also decreases. That's why AgCl to white absorb UV light, HBr to yellow absorb violet light, AgI to red absorb green color. Okay, so see, these are the important applications or characteristics, important information of LMCT. So down the groove, what is the variation of LMCT? Okay, down the groove increases, along the period decreases, oxidation state of metal increases, LMCT decreases, size of the ligand increases, LMCT decreases. Okay, now come to gist of LMCT. What we have got from LMCT? LMCT increases top to bottom in a group. Okay, here LMCT decreases left to right period. LMCT decreases on decreasing oxidation state of the metal. LMCT decreases on increasing oxidation state of metal atom. Okay. So LMCT decreases on increasing oxidation state of metal. This one. LMCT decreases on increasing size of ligand. Okay. So this is the rectifications. By mistake it has been decreasing. So LMCT decreases. So only increases when top to bottom. Otherwise LMCT decreases with increasing oxidation state of the metal, with increasing size of the ligand, and also from left to right LMCT decreases. Okay. Next questions, important question from LMCT. The correct order of LMCT energy is MnO4 minus, less than CrO4 2 minus, less than VO4 3 minus. Okay. Number 2, MnO4 minus greater than CrO4 2 minus, greater than VO4 3 minus. Number 3, MnO4 minus greater than CrO4 2 minus, greater than less than VO4 3 minus. Option 4, MnO4 minus less than CrO4 2 minus, greater than VO4 3 minus. So what will be the correct order of LMCT? We have given 4 options, 1, 2, 3, 4. You should answer these questions. Very important questions. What will be the order of LMCT? So now, in case of MnO4 minus, Mn plus 7 states, CrO4 2 minus, chromium plus 6 states, VrO4 3 minus, vanadium plus 5 states. So greater the oxidizing power of metal ion, more easily it can be reduced, resulting in the lower energy or higher oxidation state. Lesser will be LMCT. Okay. So lesser will be its LMCT. So that is the clue. That is higher oxidation state. Which has the higher oxidation state? Okay. So if the oxidation state increases, LMCT decreases. So that's why the answer will be here plus 7 plus 6 plus 5. So answer will be 1. Again here answer will be 1. Okay. Now, so this one plus 7 plus 6 plus 5. Now another question, cadmium sulfide AgC BiI3 are colored because number 1 LMCT, number 2 MLCT. There are 4 options. Number 3 DD transitions, number 4 combination of LMCT and DD transition. These are very good questions. So cadmium sulfide, Ag sulfide, BiI3 are colored because LMCT, MLCT, DD transition, combination of LMCT and DD transitions. So as you know, the d orbital is filled. Okay. So DD transition will not occur. So it is LMCT. As sulfide is involved, as I told you, H2 minus. Sulfide is involved. Oxides, sulfides are LMCT ligand. So answer will be 1 LMCT. Okay. Next question, MnO4 minus is deep purple, whereas ReO4 minus is colorless. This is due to greater energy required for. This is due to greater energy required for. We have four options. Option 1, DD transition in Re compared to Me compound, Mn compound. Number 2, DD transition in Mn to Re compound. Number 3, charge transfer from O to Re compared to O to Mn. Number 4, charge transfer from O to Mn to O to Re compound. So these are the four options given for this MnO4 minus deep purple color, whereas ReO4 minus is colorless. So answer, MnO4 minus again Mn plus 7, ReO4 plus 7 state. So both the metal atom has same oxidation state. So same oxidation state of metal atom means oxide is responsible. Same oxidation state, MnO4 minus plus 7, ReO4 minus plus 7. Same oxidation state means, having oxidation state same means oxides is responsible for LMCT. So option 1 and 2 are not possible because there is a option 1 is DD transition, option 2 also DD transitions. So here oxides involved, so that is charge transfer involved. So we can nullify DD transition both option 1 and 2. Okay. Again, manganese 3D, rhenium 5D are in the same group. So oxygen to manganese less LMCT, but oxygen to Re large LMCT because it is a 5D orbital. So large LMCT will be Re. So answer will be 3. Answer will be 3. Charge transfer from O to Re compared to O to Mn. It's a very good answer. MnO4. So here oxidation state of metal same, oxygen is responsible. So 1, 2 is nullified. Again Mn 3D orbital, it is 5D orbital. 5D means, so top to bottom LMCT increases. So what will happen? Answer option 3 will be the answer. Now number 2, MLCT, metal to ligand charge transfer. Metal to ligand charge transfer. To transfer the charge from metal to ligand, energy of metal increases and energy of ligand decreases. Energy of metal increases. Here energy of the metal, this is the energy of the metals, this is the energy of the ligand. I forgot to mention this. So okay, to transfer the charge from metal to ligand, energy of the metal increases. Here energy of the metal increases. Okay, and energy of the ligand decreases. So metal is in a low oxidation state, while ligand is low lying vacant antibonding orbital, that is higher energy than metal. So that is the energy. Okay, so metal is low oxidation state, so metal energy increases here, ligand energy decreases. This is the ligand, this is the metal. Now you see how it will happen. So vacant ligand orbitals, this is the metal field orbital. Now electron goes from field to vacant. So metal to ligand. So metal to ligand charge transfer happened. So daily 1, this is the daily 1, this is the daily 2. You know daily 1 greater than daily 2. So energy required for this metal to ligand higher than the DC metal to ligand, because energy of the ligand decreases, energy of the metal increases. So the energy required is lesser amount. So charge transfer is more facile. So now characteristics of MLCT. Metal must have less oxidation state. Number 1. Transfer of electron from MOs, molecular orbital of metal, to antibonding orbital of ligand. Metal should have high energy. 4. Metal should have field orbitals. Metal should be easily oxidizable. Okay. And ligand must have vacant pi star orbitals. Ligand should have low energy orbitals. Ligand should be easily reducible. Commonly observed pi acceptor ligand like CO, CN-, pyridine, bipyridine, or FEN, pyrazine, pyridine, imines, aromatic ligand, and ligand having pi bond. So these are the responsible, this type of ligands, for MLCT, metal to ligand charge transfer. So characteristics of MLCT: metal must have less oxidation state. Transfer of electron from MOs of metal to antibonding orbital of ligand. Metal should have high energy. Metal should have field orbitals. Okay. already I discussed. 5 metals should be easily oxidizable. Okay. Ligand must have vacant pi star orbitals. Okay. Ligand should have low energy orbitals. Okay. Ligand should be easily reducible. Okay. Commonly observed pi acceptor ligand. What are they? They are CO carbonyl, Cl minus, pyridine, bipyridine, PHEN, pyrazine, pyridine, imines, aromatic ligands, and ligand having pi bonds. So these are the ligands which responsible or produces MLCT. So these are the characteristics, important characteristics of MLCT. As I told you, both LMCT and MLCT is very important. Okay. Now note, electron rich metal that has easy field orbital shows color. Note, metal to ligand charge transfer, there is a information of back bonding. When metal to ligand charge transfer occur, there is a some information of some occurrence of back bonding. So MLCT increases, back bonding increases, bond length decreases, bond strength increases, stretching frequency increases, and rotation barrier increases. So this is the point. Now MMCT, although I told you MMCT is least importance for you. Metal to metal charge transfer. The charge transfer takes place between filled metal to vacant another metal atom, that is, for example, oxyhemoglobin, red color. So metal to metal charge transfer. One metal have vacant orbital, another filled. You see this metal atom filled, this metal atom vacant. So electron goes from charge from vacant filled to vacant. So metal to metal charge transfer. Simple example here. Suppose KFE FeCN/6. Here the iron Fe3 +3 state +2 state, Prussian blue color. KFE FeCN/6. Here +2 +3 blue color. Okay. So why? Because when rust is reddish brown, Fe3O4 due to Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus conversion, oxidation state conversion, Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus. Rust is reddish brown color, we know Fe3O4 dot X water. If spinel are color, it may due to MMCT. Pb3O4 red lead having charge transfer from lead 2 plus to lead 4 plus. Okay. Now come to LLCT. This is also not important, just for reference. If some students gets interested about this LLCT and MLCT, I just give brief descriptions of the LLCT and MLCT. Ligand to ligand charge transfer. The metal complex in which both oxidizing reducing agents are present. The charge transfer takes place between ligand of filled orbital to vacant orbital of another ligand that is attached to the metal. Ligand to ligand charge transfer spectra is only observed when pi donor and pi acceptor ligand both are present. TLBIPI2, it is yellow color due to LLCT. Okay, so both pi acceptor and pi donor. Here if you see BuCO whole 3x3 X, here pi donor, CO carbonyl pi acceptor. So LLCT, the metal complex in which the both oxidizing reducing agent are present. Okay, the charge transfer takes place between ligand of filled orbital to vacant orbital of another ligand that is attached with metal. So that ligand attached with metal. Okay, and when pi donor pi acceptor ligand both are present, so you see metal. So ligand to ligand charge transfer. This is the filled orbital of ligand, this is the vacant orbital of ligand, but this ligand already attached to this metal atom. So charge transfer from filled ligand orbital to vacant ligand orbital, which is already attached to metal atom. Okay, so pi donor pi acceptor, here X is halogen pi donor, pi acceptor is carbonyl group. So I have discussed both LMCT, MLCT. LMCT, there are so many questions I have discussed. MLCT is also a characteristics. Both LMCT, MLCT is very important. Apart from this, another two charge transfer, MLCT and LMCT, also less important. I just give you some brief idea regarding these two charge transfer, MMCT metal to metal charge transfer and ligand to ligand charge transfer. I hope you are enjoying this video. Thanks for watching this video.